Another one I wrote. I seek first your kingdom. Anybody know what scripture that is?
Matthew 6:33.
Very good. And your righteousness. I'm just going to sit here and wonder if anything's going to happen to me. No, he says, all these things will be added unto me. You're my source of everything. I'm singing Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, come on, Jesus. You're my source of everything. Yeah, your word is light and easy. I think Jesus said that. I cast my cares on you, Lord. I just rest in your faithfulness. You're my source of everything. I'm singing Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, give me Jesus, Lord. You're my source of everything. Your word is light and easy. I cast my cares on you, Lord. I just rest in your faithfulness. You're my source of everything. I'm singing Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I mean Jesus. You're my source of everything. 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 Yeah, rejoice. That's all you have to do. That song is a tool to put you in the presence of God. Because it's hard to sing. Jesus, you're my source of everything. But then you go back to worrying. Is he going to come through with that rent money? This is something you got to keep doing. Because you're gonna, when you leave this place, the devil's gonna be waiting for you at the door and hammering you. Well, you know, look at this. And then you're gonna start remembering all these things that are wrong in your life. And you're gonna start remembering all these things that are bad. But you just got done in the presence of God. But it's something you have to maintain. So we're gonna